VR in space, Digital Hollywood is putting an emphasis on AR and VR, but particularly VR and space.
That's right.
What do you feel about it?
I think it's great. Yeah, I think it's a really neat. It's kind of maybe in some ways it seems like an unexpected synergy between the real engineering and the real work that we're doing in space and the Hollywood aspect of creating similar things. But there's a lot of the same tools, a lot of the same thought processes, and I think there's a lot that the communities can actually learn from each other. And I think that the tools in a way are kind of merged, because the tools that you use to do visualization and graphics, are also the tools to do the computing that and modeling that we're needing to do now to build things and test them before we actually build them for real. So anyway, it's a really neat.
Do you feel that young people may become better more interested, the more detail that they can experience?
Oh, I think so. This is an experience I have. There's an interesting combination. Kids are fascinated with space. They're fascinated with the future and creating the future. This is something that they maybe think they have more control over than the way things are today, right? But they're trying to build the future, and they're also thrilled about technology, like the latest, greatest technology, and they pick it up incredibly fast. So we're finding that students kind of come out of the woodwork to work with us. We're trying to build a platform to do engineering in VR for space, and students are coming from all disciplines. I mean, from all different engineering disciplines and also architecture and planetary science, and they all want to be part of this, and they need to use those tools for their future careers. So they're all over that technology, and to be able to apply it to creating the future it's something that they get really excited about.
That's super.